What does hospitality, finance, and luxury have in common? EHL graduates.
Our community brings together people from many backgrounds and cultures. For the past 130 years, we've been shaping leadership through the art of creating impactful experiences. Classes here are more than lectures. They're experiences that build confidence.
Want to study business while exploring the world? Exchange semesters, internships, and summer programs open doors to global experiences.
As the world's #1 hospitality business school, we provide a solid, customer-centric education that drives success across diverse business sectors. We are also recognized with multiple accreditations.
Empathy is more than just a soft skill. It's a leadership mindset. It builds trust, strengthens relationships, and creates lasting connections. We don't just prepare for the future, we shape the people who will lead it.